So today I'm going to show you how to chop parsley the proper way, and this is called a chiffonade. And a chiffonade is used in classical cooking, and it's used in restaurant kitchens, especially when we're using herbs as a garnish. This skill is super important to learn because you're not going to bruise your herbs as you chop, and it's also going to make for a great presentation when you garnish. So by unlocking the skill, you're definitely going to level up in the kitchen. So the first step is to bring your herbs all together and make sure that they're bundled up nice and tight. Next, you're gonna need a really sharp knife, so make sure to watch the video that I'm gonna post up in the corner here, and that's going to give you a masterclass on how to sharpen your knife with a whetstone. Next, I'm going to grip only the handle of the knife so that I can make a smooth rocking motion as I chop my herbs. Then you're going to use that same motion to slice the herbs and let your knife do the work. Now as you're gliding along your herbs, you want to make sure that each slice is spaced apart the same so that you're getting an even cut. Now there is our chiffonade. Almost hair-like strands that are ready to be used as a garnish or chopped down even further. So that's it, a really important skill, and you need to give this a try and practice this every time you get in the kitchen and use herbs. And one caveat is don't use this with basil or rosemary. Basil can bruise really easily. The best way to use it with something like basil is to roll it up like a cigar and slice and glide through just like we did with the parsley. And if you want to learn tips like this, then definitely subscribe to my channel. It's nice to be back in front of the camera with all of you and to offer you tips and tricks that are going to improve your skills in the kitchen. So that's it for me. Leave a comment down below on what technique you would like to see in my next videos. And until next time, keep on cooking.